Welcome to the AdExpert Podcast. Today, we're embarking on a really interesting deep dive into how AI will shape digital marketing in 2025. This isn't just buzz anymore, is it? AI is actively changing how businesses, right here in Los Angeles and everywhere, connect with people. Our goal today is simple. Cut through the noise, give you the key insights so you're really informed, strategically speaking.
Exactly. And to do that, we've looked at a whole range of industry analysis, including a key report from AdExpert. They're a Los Angeles agency, online marketing, web development, been doing it for a decade. And they're known for their work with AI solutions, so their practical take is, well, it's central to what we're discussing. We want to pull out the really important stuff for you. Go beyond the headlines.
Okay, let's unpack this then. AI, it's not just another gadget. It's fundamentally changing digital marketing. I mean, how we write things, how we figure out what customers actually want, even how we spend our ad budget. It's all shifting. So for you listening, what does this really mean for your marketing plans next year?
Well, one thing that really stands out, especially from ad experts' perspective, is how AI takes the guesswork out of it. For years, marketers relied on, gut feelings, maybe some past data. Now, AI digs into massive amounts of data, not just to see what happened, but to predict what customers might need next. It's incredibly precise. It's not just making things faster, it's making them smarter.
That's a key difference. Smarter, not just automated. So when we say marketing gets faster and smarter thanks to AI, can you give an example? Like something that used to take ages, but AI now helps nail down much quicker?
Sure. Think about planning a big campaign, setting prices, figuring out who to target. Historically, that meant tons of research, competitor watching, often reacting after the fact. With AI predictive analytics, though, agencies can spot trends, shifts in what customers are thinking before they really hit the mainstream. This means you can adjust your pricing proactively, optimize campaigns before they launch, even know the best time to show someone a message. It's like having a bit of foresight, allows you to lead rather than just follow.
That kind of foresight. Yeah, that's a game changer. And it brings us nicely to AI's sort of dual role, which I find really fascinating. Content creation and hyper-personalization. Let's start with content. Generative AI, it feels like having this creative helper that never needs coffee, helping draft posts, suggesting headlines, even mapping out video ideas.
Oh, absolutely. The efficiency leap is huge.
Yeah.
But here's the balance everyone stresses. It doesn't replace people. Not really. Smart marketers use AI for the heavy lifting, the first drafts, testing variations, analyzing tone. But that human touch, that's still essential. It brings the authenticity, the brand voice, the emotional connection. That's what makes your content stand out, right? Not sound like everything else.
Makes perfect sense. You need efficiency, but also real connection. So then hyper-personalization, what does that really mean for the customer? It's more than just hi, first name, isn't it?
Oh, much more. It's about dynamically changing what someone sees based on them, their clicks, their past purchases, what they're looking at right now. Think about platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Those feeds feel like they're made just for you, right?
Yeah, unnervingly so sometimes.
Exactly. Their AI is constantly learning what keeps you scrolling. Businesses can do similar things. Imagine you look at a product, leave the site.
Yeah.
And then maybe an email pops up or an ad shows you that product, maybe with something else you might like. It's about making the whole experience feel seamless, relevant across email, ads, even the website changing slightly for you. It anticipates what you need.
Anticipating, not just reacting. I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, building on that, how does AI help with direct customer conversations and making the whole journey smoother? Thinking about chatbots, recommendation engines, that kind of thing.
Right. And these tools are getting seriously sophisticated. Modern AI chatbots can do much more than basic Q&A. They can guide people through tricky choices, solve problems, offer smart recommendations based on past behavior. This gets rid of those annoying waits, gives instant help. And sources like AdExpert talk about real-time marketing insights with live tracking. That means seeing the whole picture, all channels, live. It lets marketers make really sharp data-backed decisions to boost engagement and, ROI.
That real-time view sounds incredibly powerful.
Yeah.
So it's not just tweaking one interaction, it's looking at the entire customer journey. From first glance to loyal fan, how does AI help optimize that whole path?
Essentially, yes. By constantly watching how people move through the process, where they click, where they hesitate, where they drop off, AI can pinpoint those friction points. Maybe an ad isn't working or the checkout is confusing. It flags these issues so marketers can smooth them out, make the whole experience easier, more intuitive. And smoother experiences, they lead directly to more sales and happier repeat customers. It's like an invisible guide.
a continuous improvement engine almost. And connecting this to social media, platforms like TikTok and Instagram are obviously massive AI users for engagement. How can businesses use AI to get that kind of boost on social?
It's about being smart with data. AI can analyze when your specific audience is most active, ensuring your posts get seen. But it goes further. It can suggest topics your audience cares about, find the right influencers for your niche, even predict which images or messages will perform best. AdExpert's approach, focusing on data-driven copywriting and visibility, uses exactly these kinds of AI insights, making sure content hits the mark not just for people, but for the platform algorithms too.
Okay, wow, we've covered a lot. Maybe we can quickly recap the 5 big trends for 2025 that keep coming up. First, AI-powered content that connects faster creation, but with that human touch.
Right. Second, hyper-personalization for every user, really understanding individuals.
Third, generative AI boosts creative work AI as a co-pilot, not the pilot.
Exactly. Fourth, smarter planning with predictive analytics moving from reacting to anticipating.
And fifth, real-time marketing on every platform, that seamless experience everywhere.
So, okay, translating those trends.
Yeah.
What does this actually mean for you and your team right now? How do you make it practical?
Yeah.
Step one is choosing the right tools. Don't just grab any AI tech. Figure out your specific need content help. Automation, better analytics, customer service. Then find tools that fit that job. Maybe start small, test things out, then scale up. And critically, train your team. They need to know how to use these tools effectively, without losing your brand's voice. It's why AdExpert emphasizes things like expert support and customized strategies. It's not one size fits all.
That's a really important point. It's not just about the tech, but how you use it. And speaking of how we use it, there's a massive theme around trust and transparency, isn't there? It's crucial.
Absolutely crucial. There are definite things to watch out for. First off, privacy and data safety. Non-negotiable. You have to protect customer data. Follow the laws strictly. Second, avoiding bias. AI learns from data. If the data is biased, the AI will be too. That leads to unfair or just plain ineffective marketing. Third, relying too much on automation. You still need that human connection. Don't let the brand feel cold or robotic. Keep that authenticity. And finally, transparency. Let people know when they're talking to a bot or getting AI recommendations. Honesty builds trust. It ties back to AdExpert's data-driven success idea, using data ethically and effectively for specific goals, focusing on quality and happy clients.
Right. Ethical use is paramount. Now, let's tackle a couple of big questions people often ask. First one, will AI just replace digital marketers completely?
Right, that's a big one.
Yeah.
And the clear answer from, well, pretty much everyone is no. AI won't replace marketers, but it will absolutely change the job and enhance it. AI is great for repetitive tasks, sparking ideas, speeding things up. But human creativity, strategic thinking, building real emotional connections, AI can't do that. The future is about collaboration. AI supporting human strategy and insight. That's where the best results will come from.
So it's an evolution, not a replacement. That leads to the next question. Is digital marketing still a good field to get into or invest in for 2025?
Oh, definitely. Unequivocally, yes. The field is booming and it's getting more sophisticated. Demand is super high for people who actually understand AI tools, who get social media strategy, who can use data effectively. Learning these skills gives you a massive advantage, whether you're job hunting or growing a business. Think about all those areas AdExpert works in: Google Ads, SEO, local SEO, social media, web dev, copywriting. AI is becoming key in all of them.
Okay, so to wrap up our deep dive today, AI is clearly a powerful partner for digital marketing. It can seriously boost personalization, sharpen your strategy with predictive insights, and make workflows way more efficient. It offers a real edge.
For sure. And the core message really is that real success in 2025 comes from blending AI's power with human creativity, strategic thinking, and crucially, strong ethics. That combination is what lets you build genuinely better experiences for your customers.
Which brings us to our final thought for you to chew on. How will you weave AI into your strategy, not just to be efficient, but to create truly unique customer experiences? How will you make sure your brand's authentic voice still cuts through in this increasingly AI-powered world?